All right, we have a 2015 Tahoe LT two-wheel drive with the 5.3, and it has 138,000 miles on it. It's a pearl white paint, 18-inch rims. You have the DUNE leather with the cocoa interior accents. Power passenger and driver seat. Some all-weather floor mats. You have heated seats in the front. AM, FM, and XM radio. Tri-zone climate control. Backup camera. 12-volt USB auxiliary and SD card there, and then dual USB and a 12-volt here. Garage door opener, power liftgate, LED map lights. Second row captains with the all-weather liner in the front. There's your climate control back here with a 110 and a 12-volt. Then you have your third row with your mats. You have a tow package with reverse parking sensors. There's your power liftgate. There's a license plate, a front license plate bracket. Some little storage. All the seats fold down flat. There's your power liftgate button. Power windows, locks, mirrors, driver memory seat, BOSE audio. There's your child locks for the windows as well as the doors. $138,497 miles. Power adjustable pedals, traction control, parking sensors, and lane change assist. Automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, cruise control, and forward crash alert. And your Bluetooth, backup camera. You have OnStar right here in the mirror. And you have a remote start.